In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to make your LD-50 graph with your percent non-germinating versus salt solution strength. So to do that, you're going to go to the bottom of your sheet that you've already have open, and you're going to hit this little plus button, and you're going to create a new sheet, and we'll just call this sheet our LD-50 graph. And to speed things along, I've already entered in some data. So you're going to look up on the board for the class data, and we should have the percent mortality for all of the concentrations up on the whiteboard in class. And so once you have that, you're going to then enter in your concentrations of NaCl from lowest to highest. And then in your column B, you're going to do the percent mortality. To make the graph, you're going to highlight just the data, not the title. So I'm going to highlight just my data here, say Insert Chart. And then I want to change my type of my chart to a scatter. So I'm going to select this scatter plot. And now I'm going to go to this Customize tab. And in the Customize tab, I am going to customize my horizontal axis. And then I want to say that I have a log scale. So in that horizontal axis, I'm going to select the log scale button. I'm going to go back to my customize here, and I am now going to select series. And under the series, I want to say I want to add a trend line, but we do not want a linear trend line. Instead, we want it to be polynomial. So I'm going to say select polynomial trend line. And now I want to go into Customize again and down to this grid line, and I want to have my minor grid lines present, 10 of them. And so I'm going to do this for both my horizontal and my vertical axis. So I'm going to change that to horizontal and do the same. So now I just have my grid lines there. Now I'm going to go to Customize Chart. So customize, chart and axis titles, and I am going to title my chart, and then I'm going to make sure that that title is okay, enter in the title, and then I'm going to go to my horizontal axis, make sure that my horizontal axis title looks okay, and that my vertical axis title looks okay.